Cities of the future, powered by AI. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of urban life. Imagine a city that thinks, a city that evolves with you, a city that anticipates your needs, making life more convenient and efficient. This is the promise of AI for smart cities, where technology and intelligence are embedded in the very fabric of urban life. AI is not just about robots or automated systems, it's about intelligence woven into the fabric of urban life, creating a dynamic and responsive environment. Imagine a city that learns and adapts, becoming more efficient and responsive every day, optimizing resources and improving quality of life. This is not science fiction, this is happening now. AI is already changing our cities in remarkable ways, from managing traffic to optimizing energy use. From traffic flow to energy use, AI offers innovative solutions to some of the most pressing urban challenges. AI offers solutions to some of the most pressing urban challenges, making our cities smarter and more sustainable. As our cities grow, AI will be crucial in creating sustainable and livable environments for all, ensuring a better future. The future is smart and it's closer than you think. Embrace the change and witness the transformation. The challenge of smart managing urban complexity. Cities are complex organisms, constantly evolving and growing. Millions of people, countless vehicles, and a vast network of infrastructure all interact in a delicate balance, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Managing this complexity is a daunting task, requiring innovative solutions and forward-thinking strategies. Traditional methods struggle to keep up with the ever-increasing demands of urban life, often falling short in efficiency and effectiveness. This is where AI comes in, offering a new way to tackle urban challenges. AI excels at analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to spot, providing insights that can transform city management. By harnessing the power of AI, city planners can make smarter decisions, optimize resources, and improve the lives of citizens, ensuring a more efficient and sustainable urban environment. The challenge of smart is not just about technology, it's about integrating these advancements into the fabric of urban life. It's about using technology to create cities that work for everyone, fostering inclusivity, accessibility, and a higher quality of life for all residents. AI on the road, smoother journeys, smarter traffic. Imagine a world where your daily commute is no longer a source of frustration. Traffic congestion is a major problem in many cities, causing delays and headaches for millions of drivers every day. It wastes time, pollutes the environment, and increases stress levels, making urban living more challenging. AI offers a way to tackle this challenge head-on, providing innovative solutions to age-old problems. Imagine a city where traffic lights adapt to real-time traffic flow, reducing congestion and improving travel times. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. AI-powered traffic management systems are already being implemented in cities around the world, transforming how we navigate urban spaces. These systems use sensors and cameras to monitor traffic conditions and adjust traffic signals accordingly, ensuring a smoother flow of vehicles. This results in smoother traffic flow, reduced travel times, and lower emissions, contributing to a cleaner and more efficient city. With AI, the daily commute could become a breeze, turning what was once a stressful experience into a pleasant journey. Public services reimagined. Efficiency at your doorstep. AI is also transforming the way public services are delivered in cities. From street lighting to waste collection, AI can make these services more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. Imagine a city where street lights dim automatically when no one is around, saving energy and reducing light pollution. AI can optimize waste collection routes, ensuring that bins are only emptied when they're full. It can also monitor water pipes for leaks, preventing water waste and damage to infrastructure. By using AI to improve public services, cities can become more sustainable and citizen-centric. A safer tomorrow, AI's watchful eye on city life. Safety is a top priority in any city. AI can play a vital role in enhancing urban security by monitoring public spaces, detecting anomalies, and assisting law enforcement. Imagine a city where AI-powered cameras can identify suspicious activity and alert authorities in real time. AI can also be used to predict and prevent crime by analyzing crime patterns and identifying high-risk areas. By using AI to enhance security, cities can create a safer environment for residents and visitors alike. AI's watchful eye can help us build a more secure future.